Hi, I'm Mike, Director of Customer Partnerships for HVAC here at Parchtown. Today, I'm going to teach you how to tension a belt using a tensioner for this Trane RTU. All right, we're going to go ahead and tension that belt. Now, as in everything else, we want to make sure safety first and the power's off before we put our hands in and take off the pad. Once the power's off, we're going to take this panel off to expose the belt. Now, commonly, a rule of thumb is 1/2 inch deflection when tensioning a belt. Okay, that'll usually get you there. But that's not always what's called for on an individual unit. This particular unit is requiring a certain amount of deflection. In order to get to that deflection, I have a tensioning gauge. On this, it's got a little rubber O-ring that you set to the tension that it needs to be at. And then you simply push down until the O-ring hits and this is tensioned properly. That's it.